Hi, yoga buddies. Today is a perfect time to slow down and relax your body. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's move gently and get ready to rest. Let's begin. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Sit tall, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed outward, hands holding feet gently. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Extend the right leg forward, fold gently over it, keeping the spine long. Switch sides. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward. reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, let knees fall open. Arms resting softly by your sides or on your legs. Lie on your back and gently hug both knees toward your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed on the floor and your lower back soft. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides left and right. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's stay here and take slow, gentle breaths for 30 seconds. Feel your body resting, calm and cozy. You did an amazing job today. Your body knows how to relax and rest. If you enjoyed this calm yoga time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.